Very few people come to the Amalfi Coast without making a stop in the beautiful Positano, which you can see right behind me. Positano is a very small town which initially gained fame and popularity when it was first used back in the day, back in the 1st century, as a place where Roman emperors would build their holiday homes. And now it attracts tourists, it attracts celebrities, it's extremely Instagrammable, very colorful, with a lot of good energy and great vibes. So I'm gonna do a little tour of it. It's my first time here. I've researched the sort of best walking route for me to do to see everything there is to see. It's only gonna take about an hour because it is such a small place, but I'm gonna take you guys with me and then I'm gonna show you where I'm staying. My hotel is really cool, so I'm really looking forward to you seeing it as well. This is the main square of Positano with the church, and what do you know? It's empty. That's one of the reasons it stood out to me, because this being one of the most, I would say, touristy areas of the whole tiny town of Positano should be filled and crammed with people at the end of May, but as you can see, it's not. And the other reason why it stood out to me is because it's all white. Positano being very colorful, this just jumped out at me as soon as I walked past. So here I am, enjoying it very much, and I want to do like a 360 video so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. The beach and the surrounding restaurants look quite busy, but I've noticed that it's mostly locals. And there's also a lot of small boats gathered around the beach at the moment. They're all sort of tenders or little fishing boats. Yeah, really nice. I'm not normally a souvenir shopper, but if I bring one thing back to Monaco, it'll be one of these umbrellas. What I've noticed about Positano, and especially about our hotel, is that they love stairs. Wherever you go, if it's up, if it's down, into your room, out of your room, you gotta take the stairs. But the good news is that all the stairs means that there's gonna be more pasta for dinner. I am gonna give you guys a room tour now, and I was very excited when booking this one because it's got one of those beautiful Amalfi Coast style bathrooms, like the kind that you see on Instagram, the kind that you want to stay at when you think of the Amalfi Coast. Breakfast time! Yay! I love breakfast on balconies with nice views, and I've just looked out at Positano and actually it looks completely different in morning light, so I'm really grateful that I got to see it first in the afternoon and now again in the morning. unfortunately the time has come for me to leave the beautiful little town of Positano, and even though I only spent 24 hours here, I do think it's enough to get a feel for the place, to experience the energy, the vibe. It really is a magical little town. It's got the most amazing colors to it. It definitely is very Instagrammable, so I'm happy I came here even though it was only for a day. And the next time I come, I think what I'm gonna do is maybe stay for 2 days and also explore the beautiful hikes around the area. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and keep smiling. Well, if you guys need to find me, I'll be right here. I live here now.